Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun, as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night.
The new Range Rover Sport SV has arrived with a little more spunk and more horsepower. The 575 HP 5.0-liter V8 from the current SVR is out, and the BMW-sourced 4.4-liter V8 from the recently launched Range Rover SV replaces it. Despite its smaller size, the 4.4-liter engine packs a lot of punch. First and foremost, the era of the V8 lives on, even if it's a twin-turbo hybrid engine. The new engine produces 626 horsepower, which is capable of motivating the big SUV to 60 miles per hour in 3.6 seconds and on to a top speed of 180 miles per hour.
As the hours pass, we're gonna do